What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this dolman sleeve polka dot blouse and I'm using 1 yard of cotton fabric. So let's get started. So for this blouse I'll be using 1 yard of fabric. I'll take the length of my blouse, which is 28 inches. And then I add 2 inches to it. And then for the shoulders, I'll be using my shoulder measurement divided by 2. I'll be using 7.5. And because it's an extended sleeve, I'll be coming down by 1 inch. And then I'll make a slant line to the end. Because in this case we're attaching the sleeves to it. So I'll take my armhole measurement. I'm using 9 and I'll add 1 inch to it to make it 10. So on this line I'll be taking my bust measurement. Bust measurement is 36 divided by, I'll be using the hip measurement for this. It's 10.5. You divide your hip measurement by 4 inch and then add 2 inch for allowance. So I'm going to be cutting the fabric from this line down to this line. So for the bottom, I'll be taking 2 inch upward, 2 inches. And then I'll make a slant line around, an arc, because I don't want the bottom of my dress to be, or the bottom of my blouse to be straight. And then I'll cut. And then for this, I'll cut this like this. And then I'll take this slant line. To cut the neckline, I'll be using 4 inches. And then 4 inches in front too. So for the back, I'll be using 2 inches. And then I'll make an arc here. So we're going to be cutting the back first. And then the next thing is to cut the front. So you go over to your sewing machine with the right sides facing each other and the wrong sides facing you. You go over and join the shoulders together. So after joining the shoulders together, I'll go ahead and fold the armhole. for the arm side, I'll fold it like this and then sew it around from one end to the other. You do the same for the other side. And then the next thing is for you to join the sides together. Join both sides together and then hem the bottom of your blouse. So here's the blouse. I've turned the armhole side and then I've joined both sides together. And then the next thing I'll do now is to get my bias tape. If you don't have a bias tape, you can cut a strip from the leftover fabric to turn the neckline. And then I'll use this to sew it around and then turn it around. So I'll have a clean neckline. And then my leftover fabric, I use it for belt. So for this belt now, I'm going to take these edges and then just draw a line like this and then cut. So you go ahead to your sewing machine, you sew it around, sew it, and then leave a tiny hole space so you can turn it after sewing. So just a quick one, you can, after sewing your bias around, the last thing is for you to fold it like this and then hem it, sew it around again. So this is what you have. And then for the belt, I've gone ahead to sew it around, and then I left an opening that I will use to turn it. So I'll turn it around and iron. So that's it for this blouse. So guys, here's the blouse. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you for watching. Thank you.